Good morning, optimal frequency. It is 10 after 6 in the morning. I was laying in bed trying to work out. I got all kinds of ideas on how I can make this better, how I can get to the bottom of this communication. Either through coding if I have to, which could be a very long process. But then something very simple hit me because I was saying to my wife the other night, geez, if I could just hear those voices. My mic is boosted to 100%. If I could get some software or something that would boost up those responses. And then, for whatever reason, as I was laying there this morning, it hit me. Check this out. Here's my mic right there, right? I did a review on this, I don't know, a couple months ago when I bought it. But look at, right here, I forgot about this, sitting right on the front of it, is this boost. It's a manual volume. Okay? I looked at that the first time and I was playing with it. I'm like, man, that's useless. You turn it up a hair and it's way too loud. Well, you know what? Maybe that's what I freaking need for these voices. Totally could be the answer. Okay, here we go. This is going to be awesome. I get up, I'm excited to do this. Too bad this job didn't pay. It'd be the first paying job I ever had that I actually really enjoyed. That's not true. I've had a couple over the years. I've worked 25 different jobs in 20 years, basically. I've had a couple of good ones in there. Not too many. Okay, recording here. Getting ready for some boost. Turn that on. Turn it up. Good morning, spirits. Can you come through? So I'm seeing responses. I'm going to turn this volume up. Just try a quarter. Just past a quarter. Is that better? Can I get you to say something so that the mic picks it up, please? Can you tell me what this is that I'm holding in my hand? Can you tell me what this is that I'm holding in my hand? Did you hear my request this morning? Let's get some white noise, pink noise going here. Okay, so I've turned the volume up. Does that help you? Is that going to make your voices louder? This is Mic Boost Test 2. I had asked to speak with Mr. Neethling again. Okay, so last test I held up this and you said it was a cup. Can you tell me what's on this cup? What's the picture of? Okay. Trying to think of one more question to ask. Should I go get another coffee right now before I analyze this? This is take 4. Mic Boost. I goofed. I'm lost one and I forgot to push record on the webcam. I just went and ate my breakfast and had a coffee. What did I have for breakfast?
Okay, so this is definitely, it has a creep factor to this thing because I had so many clips and little pieces there, and I'm doing experiments this morning. But at one point, and I'm just getting to it now, just getting to this now. I asked after I came back, I had breakfast and I made another coffee, came back down, and just in order to prove that yes, I'm talking to something intelligent, I asked things like, what am I holding in my hand? Well, at this point, I said, what did I have for breakfast? This thing answers me, and it's bang on. It says peanut butter on toast. That's what I had for breakfast. I mean, I don't know how to feel about that. That's creepy. I left this area, went upstairs. Whatever this is watching us somehow and knows. It's creepy. So now that I've boosted this mic all the way up, would it also help if I boosted the white noise? What color is the fur of the Bigfoot? Does it have a predominant color, or can it be a range of colors? Does the Yeti live in the Himalayas? Is that creature related to a Bigfoot? And I'm guessing its fur is white. Where do we go with this? Let's forget the fact maybe I'm hearing some of those words wrong. Granted, I listened to them quite in depth, picked out, I put it in there as best I could. Forget that. Let's just say it's talking Chinese. The fact is, it's talking. I ask about colors, you hear color in there. Could be different colors. I ask, say something about Bigfoot. You hear Bigfoot. Blah, 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 blah. You hear it talking and saying the words I'm saying. We know that it's responding to what I'm asking it. What is talking here? This is the question. Doing the best I can with the technology I have here. I don't think I have to prove anything because this is weird. I mean, I think we can all see it that something is replying, something's talking. It's intelligently talking on topic. What do we do with this? Is there a use for this? Or should we just be scared shitless?